What's up, YouTube? Welcome to MS Paint. No, but this is a copy of my analytics as of today, end of the day, first day of the year, January 1st, 2018. And you can see here, I don't want to show all the dollar amounts and everything, but you can see here I have an upward trend on my views, upward trend on watch time, and average view duration is doing pretty good. Yet I have a sharp decline in my estimated revenue. And this would probably happen to a lot of other YouTubers out there. And if you're not a YouTuber, maybe you're kind of interested in this, or there's a lesson here as well. Now, this is my theory on this, and it makes sense, but maybe you guys can shed some light on it as well. But my theory is a lot of people spend a lot of money during the holidays to advertise. So people like Coca-Cola, C for Coca-Cola, Target, Home Depot, a lot of retro gaming companies. You got Nintendo over there, the big N. You got all these big companies spending lots of money. And a lot of times their budgets work by the month. So they basically have a budget, and it's YouTube's job to spend all that budget through advertising as throughout the month, because they don't want to spend all the money within the first 10 days. They want to spread it out. But the budgets typically do expire at the end of the month, and a lot of these contracts either come up because they're a monthly contract for only the month of December, or maybe they signed up last year and some contracts might be up, so they need to renew the contract, or maybe they aren't renewing the contract. So with all that said, all YouTubers are going to see a slight decline in ad revenue because of there's just less people advertising, so they can't pay you as much, they can't serve as many ads, and so the cost per what you get per 1,000 views will go down. So unfortunately, that's just the nature of the game. So for you YouTubers, something to consider is other forms of payment, going through affiliate links or Patreon or tips, things like that. And those watching that aren't YouTubers, that's a great way to support your content creators. Is there's other outlets, other ways to compensate them for their time. Last year really sucked for the adpocalypse and the demonetization. A lot of yellow dollar signs all over the place. Not good if you see a yellow dollar sign on your YouTube. Not a fun day at all. But that's just how it is. It will get better. I can tell you this happened to me last year as well. So it's not that shocking. It's just some of you out there might be experiencing this for the first time, and this is it. Also, for you viewers out there, you could see the struggles that YouTubers go through. I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.